Hey guys, how you doing? This is Andrew from Some Guy with Tools here. Today we're taking a look at the RYOBI 1 Plus 18 volt ½ inch by 18 inch belt sander. This is part number PSD101. Included in the box you have the tool, 60 grit sandpaper roll, 80 grit sandpaper roll, and 120 grit sandpaper roll. This is the tool only option. It is also available in a kit. Let's get it open and we'll take a look at it. Included in the box you have the tool with its tool-free belt changing. If you watch that closely, you can see that as you depress the lever, the belt will extend in auto tension. You also have your adjustable tension if you need it a little bit tighter, a little bit looser, is included right there. Trigger lock-on feature. So if you're going to be using it for an extended period of time, you can depress the trigger, lock it on, and the tool will stay on. Obviously you have to have your battery in there for it. And you have an adjustable speed feature. Forward for additional speed, backward for slower speeds. Let's pop a battery in it and take a look. So, that's on low speed. Maximum speed. If I want to keep it running, I can depress that button, release the trigger, and it'll stay running again until I press the trigger. Open up our bag of sandpaper rolls. So to pop it on the tool, all we're going to do is pull this lever forward to depress it, slide the belt in the back end, and we will stretch it over the wheel. Now we're ready. We'll pull that lever back again, and the belt's tightened up, ready to go. Pull the trigger once more, and you're off and ready. Now this tool is excellent for reaching into those inside corners, those hard to reach places on a cabinet project or some other project that you're working on, to get into those tight spots that normally a orbital sander or even a quarter sheet sander wouldn't be able to reach. So this is a great addition to the kit. Price point is very fair, very low, easy to handle, well balanced. It does want to lean a little bit to the left because the motor is out here, but the motor also does provide you a second handhold. You've got the rubber overmolding where it's intended to be held. Give you great control, great balance. It has a little bit of forward lean, which would help to keep that paper and that belt down on your work surface. Again, this is the RYOBI 18 volt 1 Plus ½ inch by 18 inch belt sander, part number PSD101. If you like this video and want to stay up to date with tool reviews and comparisons, first looks, and more as we post them, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to turn on notifications. Check out our website, someguywithtools.com, and Instagram @someguywithtools.